spooky area! Right, the service lift. Let's go ride a lift. But it's locked. I can't ride it. Oh, but I can, because I've got a Dewhouse key. And now go along to the main glass lift in the shopping centre. This is a hydraulic cone M series lift which has been horribly modernised by 21st century lifts. This lift goes from the lower food court area, lower mount, upper mount and this top level. And I didn't manage to ride this lift because it is so fucking busy. And now go along outside the shopping centre and along to this lift is going up!
This lift is going up. This lift is going up. This lift is going up. 3. This lift is going up.
And what am I doing? Unauthorised surfing? Oh no! And now go along to the next lift, which is a really nice old Pickering's in C&H fabrics. Sadly, since last time I was here, it's had its logic replaced. Oh, that's really disappointing. It sounds like Leicester controls. Anyway, at least lift buttons are still original and it's still a really nice lift. Let's ride it in the next video.